India's moonshot Chandrayaan-2 goes in for its trickiest operation so far, attempting a soft landing on the move. It's a maneuver in which the Vikram lander and the Pragyan rover have to land without injury on the moon's surface. The 15 minutes that this delicate, this complex, tricky maneuver will take has been called 15 minutes of terror by ISRO, as a billion Indians and the world will be watching it with bated breath. So here's how it will all roll out. First, at 1:40 a.m., Vikram lander starts its powered descent onto the lunar surface and will be identifying the best landing spot. At 1:55 a.m., the lander will soft land near the South Pole. Once the lunar disk settles down, the ramp will open up, displaying India's flag. At around 4:40 a.m., the Pragyan rover will roll onto the lunar surface. The Pragyan rover will begin its slow moonwalk, and etched on its rear wheels is the Ashok Chakra and the ISRO logo, leaving India's imprint on the moon. The rover will be carrying out research, including a thorough mapping of the moon's resources, looking for the presence of water and clicking high-resolution images. And so we can expect the first selfies, Indian selfies from the lunar surface sometime in the morning. Remember, India is the first country to attempt a landing closest to the moon's south pole.
This is how the moon looks like over Bengaluru. India's Chandrayaan-2 orbiter is going around that same moon. The Vikram lander is also going around the same moon. In a short while from now, the Vikram lander will go in for its powered descent onto the lunar surface. This 15 minutes is what the ISRO chairman, Dr. K. Sivan, says will be the 15 minutes of terror. When Vikram lander lands near the south pole of the moon, it will make history for India. India will become the fourth country in the world to have soft landed on the south pole of the moon. India's Vikram lander is carrying in its belly the Pragyan rover. Soon after it lands and the rover comes out, we should get the first images of the lander and the rover from the moon surface. Prime Minister Narendra Modi would be in the Mission Control Center along with school children who have won the quiz, watching this historic event live. Inside ISRO, in Bengaluru, Pallav Bagla for NDTV.